Hey everyone, welcome to Body Make and Health Management. I see firsthand how important it is to fuel your body properly. It's not just about weight loss or gain, it's about having the energy to power through your day, think clearly, and feel your best. In today's video, we're going to explore 5 surprising signs that you're not fueling your body properly, and more importantly, how to fix each one with simple, effective changes. Let's jump right into 5 signs you're not eating enough and how to fix it. Chapter 1. Constant fatigue. Okay, let's talk about fatigue. We all have those days where we feel a little sluggish, right? But if you're constantly feeling exhausted, even after a full night's sleep, your body might be trying to tell you something. Calories are our body's primary source of energy. They're like the fuel that keeps our engines running. When we don't consume enough calories, our bodies go into conservation mode, slowing down your metabolism to conserve energy. You might be thinking, I'm trying to lose weight, isn't that a good thing? And you're right, calorie deficit is essential for weight loss. But if you cut your calories too drastically, your body starts freaking out. It doesn't know you're trying to fit into those skinny jeans. It just senses that it's not getting enough energy. So, it starts slowing down your metabolism to conserve energy. And that's when you start feeling that dreaded energy crash. Instead of going for those extreme unsustainable calorie cuts, focus on making gradual, sustainable changes to your diet. Prioritize nutrient-dense foods that will nourish your body and provide sustained energy. Think whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats, and colorful vegetables. Remember, sustainable weight loss is a marathon, not a sprint. By making gradual changes to your diet and focusing on nutrient-dense foods, you can provide your body with the energy it needs to function properly without feeling constantly drained. Chapter 2. Difficulty concentrating. Let's talk about brain fog because I know you've been there. Ever feel like your brain is stuck in first gear, unable to focus or think clearly? It's like trying to run your car on fumes. It's just not going to work very well. Your brain is a high-performance organ, and it demands a constant supply of energy to function optimally. And guess what its primary source of energy is? Glucose. When we talk about fueling your brain, we're talking about complex carbohydrates, the kind found in whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. These complex carbs break down slowly, providing a steady stream of glucose to keep your brain powered up throughout the day. When you don't eat enough, especially carbohydrates, your blood sugar levels drop. This can lead to difficulty concentrating, brain fog, and even feeling lightheaded or dizzy. So, how do you fix this? Don't fear carbs. Embrace those complex carbohydrates. Start your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with berries and nuts. Enjoy a hearty salad with quinoa and grilled chicken for lunch, or have a serving of brown rice with your dinner. The key is to include a variety of complex carbs in your diet to keep your blood sugar levels stable and your brain firing on all cylinders. Chapter 3. Stalled weight loss or muscle gain. Now this one might sound counterintuitive, but trust me on this. You've been working hard, hitting the gym, counting calories, but the scale won't budge, or you're not seeing those muscle gains you've been working so hard for. You're frustrated, and I get it. But what if I told you that eating too little could actually be sabotaging your progress? When you severely restrict your calorie intake, your body starts to panic. It doesn't know when it's going to get its next meal, so it starts holding on to every calorie like it's gold. Your metabolism slows down, making it much harder to lose weight, let alone build muscle. So how do you break through this frustrating plateau? First and foremost, make sure you're eating enough. Track your calorie intake for a few days and see how it lines up with your activity level and goals. If you're consistently eating in a large calorie deficit, it's time to gradually increase your intake. Secondly, prioritize protein. Protein is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue. Aim to include a source of protein with every meal and snack. And finally, don't forget about those healthy carbs and fats. They provide your body with the energy it needs to fuel your workouts and recover properly. Chapter 4. Always feeling cold. Do you find yourself constantly reaching for a sweater, even when everyone else seems comfortable? Do your hands and feet always feel like ice? Feeling cold all the time could be another sign that you're not eating enough. Our bodies are incredibly efficient machines. They're designed to maintain a stable internal temperature, even when the environment around us changes. And one of the ways our bodies do this is by regulating our metabolism. When we don't eat enough to conserve energy, this slowdown in metabolism can also cause a drop in body temperature. When our bodies aren't getting enough fuel, they go into survival mode. And one of the first things they do is conserve heat by reducing blood flow to our extremities, like our hands and feet. So, if you find yourself constantly bundled up in layers, even when it's not particularly cold outside, it might be a sign that you need to increase your calorie intake. But it's not just about increasing calories, it's also about the types of foods we're consuming. Healthy fats in particular play a crucial role in regulating body temperature. Think avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish like salmon. These foods will not only help warm you up, but also provide your body with essential nutrients and energy. Chapter 5. Mood swings and irritability. Have you ever been so hungry that you felt like you could snap at anyone who looked at you sideways? You know, that hangry feeling? Well, it turns out there's a scientific reason why we get so moody when we're running on empty. Our brains rely on a constant supply of glucose to function properly. And when our blood sugar levels drop, it can have a significant impact on our mood and behavior. When we don't eat enough, our blood sugar levels drop, and our brains don't get the fuel they need. This can lead to a cascade of negative effects, including irritability, anxiety, and even depression. So, how do we avoid those hanger episodes and keep our moods in check? The key is to stabilize our blood sugar levels by eating regular balanced meals and snacks throughout the day. And I'm not just talking about grabbing a candy bar or a bag of chips when you feel a hunger pang. Those sugary snacks might provide a quick burst of energy, but they'll leave you feeling even more irritable and sluggish later on. Instead, focus on meals and snacks that combine protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Think about having a handful of almonds with a piece of fruit, Greek yogurt with berries, or a hard-boiled egg with some veggie sticks. The key is to find what works best for you and your body. Remember, our moods are a reflection of our overall health and well-being. So, there you have it. 5 surprising signs that you might not be eating enough. Remember, listening to your body signals is crucial for maintaining optimal health and well-being. If you're experiencing any of these signs, don't ignore them. Take a closer look at your diet and make sure you're fueling your body properly. Thanks for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to Body Make and Health Management for more insights and tips to help you succeed. Remember, taking care of your health is an investment, not an expense.